interaction and everything. Um, Today I have on a microphone because I checked back some of my older videos and the audio was not the best. So hopefully the audio is a little bit better this time. You guys can let me know your feedback. But I'm excited today, as I've been excited for the past few days, because we're going to build an app. And the idea behind us building an app here in the AI global community is, well, actually, the global AI community. The idea is that by us building an app, you'll be able to build your own app. We're in the planning phase of building a day labor marketplace app, which is going to be amazing. The idea is that business owners such as myself, but all business owners anywhere, plus also team members, we all are at a disadvantage if somebody calls out from work, right? So, like, let's say you're working your job, somebody calls out because they want to stay home and watch Netflix. Um, it brings a situation where now you got to do more work yourself. So the idea is whether you're a business owner or whether you're a team member, a manager, whoever you are, it benefits you to have folks show up for work. So the app that we're building is going to pretty much combine and place employers with employees, aka team members, and the whole goal is for work to continue to proceed. We start the planning phase already. One of the biggest pieces that we're making sure is that we're modeling it so it's a day labor marketplace and not a staffing firm. So think like Craigslist back in the day where, like, someone would post a job. We want it to be very lightweight and just something that's very usable. I'm not going to try to do a big word right now. Something that's very, very usable. So, like I said, we are highly excited about it. It's going to be great and wonderful. We're in the planning phase, and we need your input. So, we have a day labor marketplace planning video that's currently out. Go in there, leave some comments. After you watch the video, tell us what you think we should do. Like, should we change the color of the site? Should we have extra features? No question or no comment is silly. Everything is going to be worthwhile. So really, really appreciate that. But yeah, so in general, what we do here at Global AI is we're focusing on teaching the world, folks in developing countries, folks in developed countries, doesn't matter, teaching everyone about AI because AI is here to stay. Initially, this channel was dedicated towards stocks and crypto, but I think one thing that we realized was that AI is the future, it's not going nowhere. And AI also will encompass stocks, it will encompass crypto, but AI is a broader theme, so that's something that needs to be taught expeditiously. So that's what we're focusing on. But I'm here just to get folks involved in the community, corral folks to take a look at what we're doing, motivate you to do your own videos, your own YouTube, or whatever it is that you desire to do. But that's kind of where we are with that. So, as I mentioned before, we've already done our planning phase. We're going to go back and redo the planning all over again because second pass of the planning, we want to make sure we have proper security in place. We want to make sure we have all the features because it's a lot easier to add to your app before you start building it than after you start building it. So, I hope you guys get encouraged. I hope you guys build your apps. I hope you guys let me know what you'd like to see because that's what we're all about. We're focusing on building apps, learning more about AI and things like that. So happy that you guys join in every time we have these chats. Would love to know what kind of apps you're working on, any difficulty you're having in your apps, whether it be planning phase, bring it to the community. We'd love to hear about it. But yeah, so building apps with AI is a pretty easy thing to do. It doesn't take too much skills because nowadays the AI is actually coding itself. Hey, wild animal, happy to see you. But yeah, so that's what we're focusing on. We're really excited to build and build and build and continue to build the apps that we're working on. So bring your ideas and we can all talk through it as a community. If you're finding that you're having problems developing or architecting the app, we're here. Join in on the chats. If you want to come on stage, I'll bring you on the app. But really, it's just up to you how much you want to learn. And yeah, so we're really excited. But where's everyone where's everyone calling in from today? I'd love to hear more about that. Love to hear more about the apps that you're working on. As I mentioned, I just started going live like 3 days ago, but I think it's a great way to connect because videos are cool, but at the same time, when we make the videos, it's like one-way communication. So I would love for you guys to, leave comments, come into this forum. Let's talk about the apps that we're building. Let's get encouragement from one another. And let's work towards the big app that we're all building in this group, which is the Day Labor Marketplace app, which I think is going to be very, very helpful for folks to get jobs, but also for folks to employers to get team members. You know, if you need help also working your job, you can go to your manager and say, hey, there's this cool app that we can find folks to help us out for our day job. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get back to work. I have a lot of things I'm working on today, but I wanted to check in because I know usually I check in during my morning walk. I didn't get a chance to take my morning walk today. It's been a little bit of a busier day going into the holiday weekend, but all in all, happy to be here. I'm going to definitely check back in with folks and kind of see where we are with things. But as I mentioned, the big thing now is moving into stage 2 of developing this app, letting us know what apps you're building so we can focus on helping each other out and building our apps so no one gets stuck. A lot of times when folks are vibe coding, it's very easy to get stuck and not really know how to solve your problems. So we're building a community that can help folks with AI development, but also keeping folks aware of AI and things like that. I don't know if anyone's used Fable yet, but Fable is now out on the market. Would love to hear more about your experience using Anthropic's Fable. I know a lot of folks probably have used Opus or maybe even OpenAI, ChatGPT, but Fable's supposed to be game changing. So I'd love to hear the feedback folks have because it looks like this is a future model. I think Fable is based off of the Mythos architecture, but it's really advanced computing when it comes to AI and just GPU compute in general. So it's no time like now to learn more about AI, and we're here for you. This channel is actually aimed at beginners, folks that want to learn. So we're not going to go over too many advanced concepts unless folks want to dive deep, that we can dive deeper. But the specific meaning for this channel is the focus on beginning learners and folks that want to learn more. So I encourage you to look in the description. We're giving away a free AI starter prompt pack, kind of meeting folks where they are. If you're using AI for emails and things like that, or text messages, and you don't want to sound robotic, check out the prompts that we give away for free in the description below. If you download that product, it gives 5 tips to kind of help you get on track and make, it's a quick starter, quick start, an opportunity for you to actually start leveling up and doing things right away with AI, improving your AI. So at this point, I'm rambling. I'm about to get going because I have some work to do, but just wanted to kind of chime in, see who's here, get a sense of the problems anyone's having, and we're going to work towards making sure we can finish this app hopefully this week because we've been doing a lot of talking. Haven't really had a chance to really work on it as a community, but it's going to be a great app. Trying to focus on the foundation, the fundamentals as much as possible, so that once we get started, we're not dealing with a situation where we have to keep going back, update things, and things like that. But all in all, AI is fun. AI is amazing, and we're going to make it even more fun. So hope everyone has a happy holiday weekend. I'll check back in with you guys a little bit later, but for now, I got to get going. Uh, let's talk in a few. Have a great one, y'all.